Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Blender on the Blender app or desktop app. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first you will need just to have your Blender app that will be downloaded and installed in your PC. So basically in your web browser, you will need just to search for Blender, or you can go directly to the URL section and type blender.org. Then you will need just to go to the download section or just click on the download button and you will be able to download Blender. After that, you will need just to execute the setup and install your Blender. Now here in the Blender, you will have this view, and basically the first thing that you will need to know or to learn about is this menu. So basically you have those main menus where you can find the file here, where you can start creating your own models from general or to the animation or whatever the model that you would like, or you can start opening some Blender files so you can modify on them or just analyze them, etc. And from here you can export your models to some file types or extension, and from here you can start editing on objects. And basically those are like the working space or the modeling menu. Here you can find the layout of your view here, and from modeling here where you can start creating your own models, like adding some shapes, and you can start cutting from them, and you can add as many shape as you want. You can start make annotation on the active data. You can have measurements. You can also extrude along some axis. You can cut from the edges, as you can see. We can just we need just to choose any edge that we would like. So basically, like from here, you choose like that, and for each, as you can see, for each tool, you can see the actions that you can start doing, like this cut and sliding, like loop, or some uh, customized one like this. And after that, you can either right click so you can delete, or just click on delete on something that you would like, or you can have multiple action that you can try for each action. So basically, you have multiple tools that you can start for modeling, and also there is the sculpting menu. So let's just go back to our selection. Here in the sculpting, you can start like sculpting on your models, and you can also have some texture paints where you can start giving some texture to your modelings, etc. So basically, those are the general things or main things that you need to use on Blender. Thank you for watching and see you next time.